Welcome to the session about screen programs, also known as module pool. Differently from executable programs, generally called reports, screen programs work differently for screen fields in general. When a screen field is designed, developer gives it a name. The problem is that this field has no use unless he relates this field to an object the program can recognize. Imagine the very well-known transaction code VA03. I will execute now, so I will just enter VA03 and hit enter. Okay, great. So this displays sales orders, as you can see here from the title. The program needs to know exactly which sales order user wants to see. What is the selection screen field name for the sales order number? Do you remember how to get it? So we find it by clicking the field, then hitting F1 for help, and then technical information. Great, we have here the screen field name. Let me copy it. Let me close the other screens. And once we found it, I know, because I've seen this before, that there's an include program that I'll show to you now by clicking System, Status. If I double click the program name, it will take me to the ABAP editor. So from here, let me search, I'll click on the binoculars, for VBAK data. I will search on the main program, not only on this source code that we saw. It will take a while. Okay, great. So I will double click here where it's declared. Then I will double click the include. And great. We have the tables statement and we have the VBAK. If I double click VBAK, it's a reference to the transparent table that stores the sales document header data. But at the moment when I declare this table with the tables statement, I can use this as a work area. So at the moment that I refer to VBAK dash VBELN, I will have the sales order number that user entered on the screen. Let me make it more concrete to you. I will run this transaction code VA03. I will enter here a sales order number. Next step is switching on the debugger, /8 and enter. And now let's hit enter again. I will move on a bit just to reach the point where the field that we want to know is recognized. And okay, here we are. See, if I double click VBAK, VBELN, you can see that it has exactly the sales order number that we entered on the selection screen. So at the moment when this instruction or this statement was executed, what the program did was to move exactly the value that the field had on the selection screen to the ABAP field with the same name in the source code. So from this moment I can, for instance, search the database for this sales order and will be shown to us.